National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi there, I'm Dr. Jonathan Beatty, naturopathic doctor and a health expert here with nationalnutrition.ca. Today we're going to talk about viral infections, and what I'm going to try and do today is give you a little bit of a background to help you understand what a viral infection is and some of the things you can do to help support your immune system to make you more resistant to viral infections. So, first thing we have to do is identify what's the difference between a viral and a bacterial infection, because of course identifying them is really going to give you some better insight as to how you can treat and manage your infection. Bacterial infections typically will likely need some level of antibiotic therapy, be it pharmaceutical or herbal, whereas a viral infection is not going to respond to those types of therapy because it does not involve bacteria. This is why it's important to get a proper diagnosis so you get a treatment that's appropriate to the condition that you're suffering with. So viruses are even smaller than bacteria, and in fact they really push our definition of life, because what a virus really is a small piece of something called RNA, or ribonucleic acid, that lives inside a protein shell. And the interesting thing with viruses is that they don't really replicate on their own. What a virus needs is it needs a host. So what it actually does is it invades your healthy cells and uses the machinery in your healthy cell. It basically hijacks the cell and it uses your own machinery to create more viruses. And so the way viruses replicate is actually by invading your cells and using your machinery to help them replicate. And this is why viruses are so different in their behavior to bacteria, because bacteria can replicate on their own. They don't need to hijack your cells, and so the behavior is very, very different, and the type and part of your immune system that treats viruses is different. And so some of the things that you can do to help boost your resistance to viruses: ensuring adequate zinc content in your system, because zinc is heavily involved in the part of your immune system that deals with viral infections, as well as vitamin C. Again, very, very important for the normal function of the immune system and actually to help your immune system generate the things it uses to destroy viruses. And so that's why it's so important that we maintain our adequate nutrition, because even subtle deficiencies in these nutrients can improve our susceptibility to viruses. Another major factor in viral illness is vitamin D. On behalf of Health Canada, take your vitamin D. The average Canadian is deficient. In Ontario, at least, they don't even study your vitamin D unless they're suspicious of osteoporosis or osteopenia. But what they're forgetting about in that sense is that vitamin D is actually an immune hormone. It's heavily involved in the regulation of our immune system, and specifically of our viral immune system. So ensuring adequate vitamin D levels is really helpful in maintaining your immunity or your body's resistance to viral infection. Now, if you do get a viral infection, there are a few things you can do depending on the type of infection that may help reduce it. So there is a herb out there called Elderberry, or Sambucus nigra. Very, very effective at inhibiting the replication of most viruses. So it can be very, very effective in the sense that what it does is slows down the viral replication, giving your immune system that extra bit of time to play catch up so that it more easily can get the virus under control, get the infection under control. And basically, if there's fewer viral proteins to eliminate, it makes it an easier job for your immune system. And then in addition to that, you can enhance the effectiveness of those immune cells using herbs such as echinacea and astragalus, as well as another herb called cat's claw, which can all improve the function of your viral immunity, and they can basically boost that part of your immune system that's going to go in and eliminate the virus. So I hope this video has helped you understand what viral infections are and some of the things that you can do to help eliminate or reduce your risk of developing a viral infection. And if you do get a viral infection, helping your body to limit the extent of it so that hopefully that your symptoms are a lot shorter in duration, a lot less severe, and you get back to healthy living a lot faster. Share this video with anyone you think might find it interesting. You can always subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find all of our health-related videos. Any questions or comments can always be posted below. And last but not least, certainly remember, knowledge is health.